There are so many types of beard products out there with different names and different brands. It could be a daunting task for the most experienced beardsman and seem like an impossible task for a new beardsman. So I wanted to make a video that was kind of all-encompassing and giving you guys all the information of what these products are, how you use them, when to use them, but deliver it in quick, digestible bits for you. And I'm going to try something new on this video. I'm going to pin a top comment with a timestamp for the different product categories. So if you're here to find something very specific like a leave-in conditioner, check that pinned comment. You should be able to click the time and it'll take you right there. I've never done that before. I haven't been able to play around with it. I'm only filming right now, but I think I can pull it off. And a quick introduction, my name is DanCBearded. I have some amazing subscribers that have given me the nickname, the trusted teacher for all things beard related, because I am a teacher. I teach middle school history and I have a passion for beards. I love teaching about beards. I love creating content just like this for the channel. If you're encouraged and you enjoy this, please consider hitting the subscribe button. That will grow this small community and help out this channel. So thank you guys. And if you have a question, please leave it in a comment down below. I will do my best to help you out, especially if you are new. And I have those amazing subscribers that love to help as well. They like to go in there, they like to make you feel welcome, they like to answer questions, and they're pretty darn good. So I would encourage you guys to listen to them. And if you're someone out there, I'm covering these different products. If I left something off, if I forgot something, please let me know. I've tried to rack my brain and really cover everything, even if I don't use them personally. I've tried to get them for this video, but I know there's stuff that I miss. So please let me know and I'll say, hey, you're right, you got that one. And if you don't know how to leave a comment, in the description, I have my contact information. Oftentimes guys will message me and say, hey Dan, I'm new to this YouTube, this tube internet thing. I don't know how to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to walk you through that. Also in the description, I have my list of affiliate discount codes, and this is kind of a two-handed thing. One hand, you guys save money on great products. On the other hand, there is a kickback for me, for my family, for this channel, and that is greatly appreciated. And people oftentimes like to use that against me or Scuba or people that are doing well and say, oh, he's getting money, there's something wrong with that. No, there's absolutely nothing wrong with something that is a mutual beneficial relationship with companies that I love. Just because they are giving a kickback isn't the reason why they're on that list. I turn down far more affiliates than I accept. Easily 4-to-1 where I say no to the yes there. I can really have an affiliate with just about any company. So there's no motive. There's nothing negative. These are the companies that I love. If you're looking to get a start, I encourage you. If you're looking to try something new, I encourage you. And if you're looking to stock up, those are great ones as well. So we're going to dive into the introduction. Then I'm going to break this video down. And I'm really excited to read your guys' comments after this video goes live. The first product we're going to start with is the most important product, and that would be beard oil. Beard oil is a must. Everything else is optional. Now, you want to use beard oil after a shower, after every single shower. And the reason why is because our bodies are not producing enough sebum oil on our face to keep our beard nourished. Now, an experiment you can do to prove this is go a week without showering. Your head hair is going to be greasy, your beard is going to be dry. And it's because it's not getting enough of that oil to your beard, so we need to mimic it with something like beard oil. And any of these things I covered today, I probably have a more in-depth video. All you need to do is search Dan C and then whatever title, whatever line you want to put after there. For example, you could search DanCBearded beard oil only, and you'll be able to find that video. So beard oil is number one. Now, nothing else is in a particular order other than beard oil, but next up would be beard butter. Now, beard butter is amazing. What classifies beard butter is it is something that is predominantly for nourishment, and you may get a little bit of styling out of it, and it should have butter ingredients. Now, the way I use beard butter is at night for that nourishment, almost like a leave-in butter. It's going to make my beard feel great in the morning. It's going to keep it trapped that moisture inside. It is wonderful. There are tons of guys that also use this in the morning for their styling, and they like that nourishment throughout the day. That is great too. Now, the next thing is kind of like a combo of those two, and that would be beard jelly. So the most famous company there you can see is Boss Man. Now, I am not a personal fan of beard jelly. It leaves my beard feeling a little bit too greasy. No matter how little I use, everyone's like, you use too much. No, I can put in the smallest amount and it still feels greasy on my beard personally. But that's the beauty. Our bodies react differently to all of these products. So there's no right or wrong. It's just about finding what works for you. And beard jelly is going to be like a mix of an oil and a butter, kind of an all-in-one type product. So it could be something to look for if you're looking for something simple, something easy that's going to work for you guys. Now, the next thing would be beard balm. So beard balm is on the other end of the beard butter. Now, beard balm is for part styling, predominantly styling, but also part nourishment. You're gonna get some benefits to your beard and your skin from balm, but it is really to style and shape your beard the way you want it. Now, to take it a step further is beard wax. Beard wax is 100% styling, 0% nourishment. It's not going to hurt your beard. There's nothing bad about this. Usually it's done with beeswax and some lanolin in there. Both are fine for your beard completely, but it is really to lock in that style, give you the look that you want. Now, what would be the difference of the next one, which would be mustache wax? Mustache wax is usually even more styling than the beard wax. Beard wax, like 7 Potions, is really strong. It's stronger than butter, which is stronger than balm, and it's going to give you that hold. But mustache wax is usually the absolute strongest, darn near a chunk of beeswax in here with a little bit of stuff to be able to kind of mold and move it around. But moving in that order is really based on the styling and the amount of wax. Beard butter can have a small amount of wax in it, and that's wonderful. Beard balm is going to have some more wax. Beard wax is going to have even more wax, and then mustache wax is going to have the most wax. So that's really the taking care of your beard after the shower. Now we have some that would be having to do more with the shower, and the first one would be beard wash. Now, you can do beard wash in a liquid form, or you can do beard wash in a bar soap form. Those are to clean your beard. They're going to get out the salt, the dirt, the gook, the wax that builds up, and you do need to clean your beard. The next thing I'm going to talk about is conditioner. That's not enough. You need to work in a beard wash, whether it's a pine tar soap, whether it's a designed beard liquid wash or a designed beard bar soap. Do not use dial soap on your beard. Do not use head hair shampoo on your beard. Those are not designed and are way, way too harsh for your facial hair and the face underneath it. Your head hair is much more resilient, much better to handle that type of stuff. Some of the stuff's not great for it, but do not put it on your beard. Now, the next one is where a lot of people get some confusion here, and that would be with conditioners, co-washes, softeners, and leave-ins. So a beard conditioner is something that is designed to detangle and really leave your beard feeling nice, feeling light. It's not adding a ton of health benefits to it, right? Cleaning your beard with a wash is going to add health because it's getting rid of the dirt, it's getting rid of all those other things. A conditioner is more so just going to make it feel great. It's going to make it more manageable. You're not going to have as many knots. You're not going to have as many tangles. And with a conditioner, this is designed to be used for after a wash. Wash your beard, put in the conditioner, wash your body for a couple minutes, and then rinse out the conditioner. You should be good to go. Now, the term that really gets everybody confused on is a co-wash. A co-wash is simply a conditioner that can be used by itself or with a wash. Now, what is the difference between a conditioner and a co-wash in the beard game? Nothing, just the name. They are the same exact product. You can use a conditioner by yourself, and that would be the act of conditioning. You can use a co-wash after a wash, and that would be conditioning your hair, and you can use it by itself. Now, when you're using a co-wash by itself, it is not going to clean your beard. It's going to get some work done. It's going to make it feel great, but don't get that confused. You are not cleaning your beard. All right, well, really popular brand here, beard brand. What the heck is beard softener? This would be a conditioner. Straight up same thing as a co-wash, same thing as a conditioner. Now, really important point here. If you leave with anything, please listen to this one. I've had people complain about different conditioners and co-washes, and they have told me it does not lather. Conditioner should never lather. If you have a co-wash or a conditioner that is lathering, you do not have a properly named product. Beard washes will lather, and that's awesome. Conditioners do not, and that is a fact. Do not have a lathering conditioner. It is no longer a conditioner, all right? And the last one that I have here would be a beard leave-in conditioner. Okay, so we got all those conditioners. This one is different. This one is to be used after a warm shower, no oil before, dry your beard about 75% dry. So what would that be? That's like a damp beard. It's not going to be dripping wet. It's not going to be sopping wet. But if you touch it, it's still damp. It still has some moisture in there. Get a little dollop. I usually go 2 fingers, bloop, get the dollop in there, rub it in your hands, and then you're going to rub it throughout your beard and then go to bed. When you wake up in the morning, it might feel a little bit stiff. It may not feel great, but when you get in that shower and rinse it out, it's one of the best feelings ever. So leave-in conditioner is for after the shower to leave it in for a prolonged period of time and then to rinse it out, okay? I think I covered all these products. I'm going to collect my thoughts and then come back with a conclusion for you guys. I'm glad I was able to collect my thoughts because I thought of something that you will probably ask if you're a new beardsman, and I want to cover real quickly. When to use these products over here other than the shower ones. Beard oil you can use by itself. Most days, right now, I get out of the shower, I apply beard oil, and I'm good. I do not put butter in until I go to bed at night, and when I do that, I will hydrate my beard. I'll put water in my beard, usually with a spray bottle, and then I'll put butter in, and I will go to bed. But for the other products, you can go out of the shower, beard oil first, wait 5 minutes, and then go beard balm. You can go beard oil first, wait 5 minutes, and then beard butter. You can also go beard oil first, wait 5 minutes, and then go with a beard wax. Those are all possible. A beard jelly would be a product that you would use standalone. That would be something that would replace these. I would not recommend beard oil, then beard jelly. You're gonna have a mess on your hands. So I do not recommend beard butter by itself. I have a video on that. I certainly don't recommend beard balm or beard wax by itself. No on those ones. And I do not personally recommend using all 3 together. Some people like to go beard oil, then butter, then balm on top. For me, that is too much. You're going to be clogging your pores. You're going to be really restricting the beard from doing its natural breathing and its natural movement. That's just my personal preference. Some people rock and it works out great, but I would not recommend that to you guys. So, conclusion here. What are some thoughts? What are some questions? What are some things that I missed? Was there something along the road where you were like, ding, light bulb, I didn't realize that until this. It really helped you out. If you're new here, surf those comments. I promise you there will be something in there that you can relate to, and that probably will help you along the way as well. And thank you guys that are adding in there, that are answering questions, that are bringing this video deeper. You are sincerely appreciated. Thank you guys. DanCBearded. Stay bearded and stay positive.